Pikachu? Pikachu? Pika Pika.
I'm very sad right now and everything. I'm really upset and everything.
Pika Pika. Pika.
Huh?
Pika Pika.
Pikachu, is that you?
Pika Pika. Pika Pika.
There it is again. Oh, Pikachu! Pika? Oh, yeah, there you are, Pikachu. Were you making that sound? Pika? Were you making that sound? Pika? Yeah, that Pika sound.
Pikachu?
Wait a minute. If you're not making that sound, then who did? Pika! Pika Pika! What? Oh, the voice trumpet. And it looks like it was sounding like you.
Pikachu?
Oh, okay. That voice trumpet just did that Pikachu sound. Yeah, it did sound like you, Pikachu. Oh my gosh, another voice trumpet.
Squirtle, Squirtle. Squirtle, Squirtle, Squirtle.
Oh!
Squirtle, Squirtle.
Oh! Squirtle! Oh! It is mentioning some Pokemon sounds.
Squirtle. Squirtle, Squirtle, Squirtle.
Oh! Squirtle!
Pikachu?
Oh!
Pikachu? Pikachu?
Pikachu! 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 Oh!
Squirtle, Squirtle.
Oh!
Squirtle, Squirtle, Squirtle.
Oh! Squirtle! Squirtle, Squirtle, Squirtle. Oh, Squirtle! Speaking of Squirtle, there he is. Squirtle! Squirtle? Oh yeah, someone is calling your name. Squirtle? He's so confused. Oh!
Pika Pika. Pika.
Pikachu! Squirtle! Pikachu, Squirtle. Is it just me, or the new character must be here? Well, what the heck? I'm gonna go see those new characters right now. Squirtle, Pika!